Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to join Skibidi Toilet Tower Defense Discord server. Now, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your Discord. And once you go to your Discord server, what you want to do is you go to the bottom left panel. And here there's a plus icon which says add a server. Once you click that, it will show you a prompt called create a server. And at the bottom, there's a button called join a server. What you want to do is you want to click that join a server button. And then you will get another prompt like this where you have to add in an invite link. So under the invite link tab, what you want to type is discord.gg/srnqt2ydez. Now you have to write it exactly like this with the uppercase and lowercase characters in mind. And once you write it exactly like this, what you want to do is click join server, and that's pretty much it. You have joined the server for Toilet Tower Defense. Alright, I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching.